What's up, QT Squad? It's your girl Tanisha, where I'm going to bring you the dopest, the rawest, and the realest content. So, before we get into today's video, make sure you're part of the squad. And if not, what are you doing? What are you doing? So, I'm showing you my skin. I got some dark marks right here, some dark marks right there. Got a bump. Before we start this skincare journey, I want you to see my skin in the raw format, all the texture. It's not that bad, but we still gonna clear this up because my skincare goals is to have clear skin like it was back in, let me remember, 2022, 2023 era, when it was clear, no texture, no nothing. I'm trying to get back to that. We're gonna get back to that, matter of fact. That's why I'm doing this journey. So if you're on a skincare journey where you want clear skin, clear, beautiful, flawless skin with no makeup, no filter, none of that, follow me, subscribe to me, because we're about to go on this journey. You're gonna go on this journey with me with the products that I use, all natural, no chemicals. Let's just get into this video. Let's just do it.
So we took a pep stop to Small Cakes and bought something that shouldn't have been bought, especially being on a journey of your skincare journey, trying to clear up your skin and then eating chocolate, knowing chocolate is bad for your skin, but I still had to do it because it's so good. Just keep watching for the review. I want to try that one. That looks good. I'm mad I didn't see the Oreo one. Fudgy.
Like a brownie?
Yeah.
I actually might like
It looks like a brownie.
Try this.
It is 5 a.m. and it's time for me to get into this routine. So since it's my first day of being back consistent with my skincare, I gotta start off really simple. So first I'm gonna go in with the blemish, then I'm gonna go in with the Purely Perfect, then I'm gonna top it all off with the Golden Glow Serum. Now let me tell you some facts. The Blemish Erase Bar, this is for my girls that struggle with the dark spots, the hyperpigmentation, and you just want to brighten up your skin, even up your skin tone, make your skin tone all the same colors, not some dark patches over here, some dark marks over there, some light patches over there. No, if you're using this bar, this soap, you don't have to worry about any of that anymore, because this is going to lighten up your skin tone. It's going to brighten up your skin. It's going to get rid of all them dark marks. It's going to get rid of the hyperpigmentation, and just watch and see how glowing and how clear and even tone your skin is going to be after using it. Okay, so this is a new product. This is the Purely Perfect Jelly. It's also in a soap form, but this is infused with pomegranate, honey, and pineapple. This is a soft exfoliating, soft, get your dead skin, soft, youthful looking, gentle soap, no harsh chemicals. Like, this is the best soap I've ever tried in my life that you can use on your face, on your intimate areas, all over. It'll have you smelling good, feeling soft, smelling soft, just feeling like you're that girl 24/7 every time you use it. Do you pat to dry your face? If not, you're doing it wrong. So now it's time to moisturize the skin. So we're going to go in with the Golden Glow Serum, which has vitamin C, and it's going to keep your skin looking very moisturized. It's going to even out those pores, and you'll just be feeling good.
I don't know if y'all remember the last video, I told you every girl needs a good toner. If you don't have the duo toner, I'm telling you, you're going to be not glowing. You're not going to glow. I'm trying to tell you, you need a duo toner. You need a toner. Get you a toner. Get this toner, matter of fact. You don't need any toner. You need this toner. So I haven't done a face mask in a while. Maybe that's why my skin's a little off. So I'm going to do the Rose Gold Royalty face mask tonight, and we're going to see how this goes. I also can't keep walking around with crusty, dusty lips. So I'm going to have to use the Juicy Lips lip scrub, because baby, my lips is dry, crusty. It's about that time, you know, fall, winter time. That's when your lips start getting crusty, ashy, white. Now with this, to get rid of my dark spots, I'm going to use the dark spot corrector. That gets rid of the dark spots within like a week because it cleared up my dark spots that was right here in my T-zone. So all I do is put it on here just, you know, a couple days and we'll be good. Just keep on.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my Glow Up Chronicles. Okay, so that was day 1 of my skincare journey. That was just me telling you my skincare goals, showing you my starting off my routine, and then showing you my next day's routine. And then you're gonna see that in the next video. So make sure you are subscribed, make sure you are following along on my skincare journey, and make sure you're getting your skincare products so we can clear up our skin together. All the links to every single product is gonna be down below. So I will see you next video. Make sure you get your skincare and your face mask ready for next video.